How to lock a Netflix profile with a password. First off, you want to enter the account, then you want to hover over your icon and then click on account. From here, you want to press the down arrow on whichever account you want to put a password on. And we want to go to profile lock. Click on change. It is going to require you to input your password. Then you want to check mark this one. Require a PIN to access your profile. And here is where you put the 4-number PIN. That is how you do it. After you're done, you want to click on save and it should automatically save your settings. If you have any issues with this, make sure you leave a comment. I'll make an updated version and something that works. If it helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.